Well, hello everyone. How are you? It's Donna. So I was sitting here. I've had this sitting on my cutting table for probably about a week now because I am contemplating using this beautiful, beautiful fabric. I bought this earlier this year in a order from Andis, or actually two different orders from Andis Quilt Co. And I'm honestly thinking about making a shirt out of this one. I don't know, but I'm also trying to uh, color coordinate some colors for here, trying to determine if I want to use a yellow or kind of a peachy pink or a pink or a darker rose. I just don't know. I'm looking in audition fabrics, but the reason for the video, because I was playing with Andy's fabric. Guess what I got in the mail today? I think I am so excited about this. Oh. Let me pull these out. And also I have to check my invoice. Make sure she had all the yardage. Yes, she did. Okay. First is a border print. It's for Halloween. So this is actually on both sides. And it goes down, and I thought, oh man, this is going to make a actual awesome like table runner. And just so you can see, let me try to tighten this down a little bit. So that's half. So there's two of these, and I got 3 yards of this, and I thought, man, it's gonna make. I'll use 2.5 yards to make a table runner, but man, I mean, it is a large scale, so it would have to work on a Maya or something. But could you imagine this on the bottom of like a long, poofy skirt for Halloween? And then the smoke coming up and the cobwebs and the spiders. I mean, what kind of top would you put with that? Yeah, I don't know. I love this fabric. Although I wish I'd have known the scale of it a little bit more. But yeah, I like it. So next, hold on a second. Okay, I put you on pause while I got the other one out. And the other one is a Christmas one. So let me turn this up here and open it up. Which way is it? Turn it over now. The same thing here. Look at that. I can see using it as the bottom of a dress, maybe. I don't know. I just think it's adorable. You might just end up table runners. Who knows? What would you use this fabric for, huh? Let's see if I can see. This is P&B Textiles, believe, Sarah Summers. And I know she had some of this left. And this is also P&B Textiles Hocus Pocus, Deanne Beasley. And I know she had some of this left, so I'm not sure how much the last time I looked or when I ordered it. I think she had 7 yards left. But if you can think of any uses for something like this that you would want, it might be in a limited edition. Talk to you later. Bye.